this is Mrs. Hendricks. I wanted to go over a little bit of extra math with the carrying and borrowing with the zeros on top. So let's get started. The problem that we're going to work on is 3,000 minus 1,387. So what we do first, and we always do first, is we look at the operation sign and we see that it is subtraction. So because it is subtraction, we have to look at our numbers and we do our rhyme. More on the top, no need to stop. More on the floor, go next door and get 10 more. So then you have to look, even if you have to cover up the rest of the problem, 0 and 7. Which one is greater? 7 is greater. So the rhyme is more on the floor, go next door and get 10 more. So we go next door and we go right up here. Now, since it is a 0, we just keep going over to the left until we find a number that we can borrow from. So we need to skip over again. It is still a 0. So we have to skip over one more time. This we can take numbers from. So to borrow, we can carry the 10 and we carry it all the way over. So we cross out that 3, it turns into a 2. We bring over the 10 to next door, but then we have to borrow. So now, look at, we took away the 3, we took away the 1. Every time that you move over one spot, you need to take 1 away because it's the one that you're passing through. So since we're gonna be borrowing from this number, we have to cross it out and it actually turns into a 9. That is a 10, turns into a 9. And then this is a 10. And now we can begin our subtraction. So see what we did? Until we carried it over and all the way through until it ended where it needed to be. So now we can go through with regular subtraction. 10 minus 7 is 3. 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 3 is 6. 2 minus 1 is 1. Count the spots till you get to the hundreds spot. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. So you do the comma right there for the thousands place. So our answer is 1,613.